Let's go. Okay. We're all done here. Bad temperature sensor and defrost controller. I just tried to force it into another defrost. It wouldn't go. So. And then when it did go into a defrost, only went for approximately 5 minutes. Should be at least a 12-minute defrost on there. Took the service flags. It's running, or the fan is running, I should say. It's hot to the touch. So that indicates to me that there's some kind of limit switch trip. So first thing I'm going to do is test my main limit. Okay, so I do not have continuity on my main limit switch, which means the main limit is tripped. That's tone. This should have continuity, and there is no continuity. So that means it's getting hot and shutting off on high limit. And we look at the filter. Filter's clean. Super hot in here. .1075 RPM, half horse, 115 volt. 1075 RPM, half horse, 115 volt, water motor. One capacitor is a microfarad. Put it on microfarad, this setting. .91. So we will replace the cap and see if that fixes it. Remember correctly, this motor calls for a 15. So, capacitor, guys, out of 5, we called for a 15. Replace the cap, start it up.